What the heck is that thing?
This is, according to the tag, it is a 12-inch Air 360 Fian. Model number 2210. And I thought we saw a date code on here somewhere. I know we did. I think we said it was dated 07.
Was it on the capacitor?
The motor is also model 12-Air-360, so it was a custom built motor. It's a 3 microfarad capacitor, and the capacitor is dated 1107, so it probably was sold in summer of '08.
Makes sense.
And this is more or less, it appears to be a miniature version of the brace blade, which I'm not aware of any other Lakewood fans that used this. I assume it's a 12-inch blade based off the model number. It's more like 11.5, but yeah. It's kind of an odd product because if the company's going under, you'd think that they would use existing parts as opposed to making new ones. And this certainly was not an existing part. Unless miniaturizing the mold is a very simple thing to do, I don't know. It doesn't say patent pending on the blade, which is kind of interesting. I know most of the box fans did. It does say patent pending on the back.
Yeah, that's really floppy, isn't it?
Probably requires the weight of the guard to be in balance. I've never seen one of these before. Never a picture. Not a video, nothing. And it doesn't seem like anybody else has either. It's rated for 55 the watts. .8 the volts. We'll begin with the low.
I like the sound of it. It's moving a modest amount of air. It's not that great, but
I would consider that pitiful. If this is a 12-inch fan, I would compare it to like a Galaxy oscillator or something like that. And this is with more of a desk fan or personal fan type airflow.
yeah, but for something that big, you think it would move more air than that.
Right, it's disappointing. Is it the guard that's a problem? That's part of it. It's slowed down a bit, so the blade came under more load. I suspect that the blade is partially warped, which is a shame. But it actually does move a lot more air without the guard on.
Yeah, that is a pretty significant difference.
And it sounded like it slowed down a lot.
Yeah, that's...
Yep. So
what
the
is
guard is an aerodynamic disaster.
Let's look at the wattage when you do that.
So this is 31 the watts. It's probably going to go up.
And it's exactly the same.
It goes down to 31, so there's a 1 watt difference. So this fan is a complete aerodynamics disaster. This is one of those things I don't understand. Like you have supposedly intelligent people designing this product, looking at the aerodynamics, testing it. You get this, and it says, "Okay, let's sell it," and it's totally wrong.
Why bother?
I don't get it. Whoa.
It's an improvement, but
for a 12-inch fan, that I don't think this was intended to sit on someone's desk or something like that. This is pitiful. It's a waste of 39 watts. Power factor is only 0.97 too.
I do like the sound that comes out of it. It's a very pleasant sound. But it's kind of underwhelming.
It's starting to push an okay amount of air now for like a low speed, maybe. I think the performance is pretty abysmal on this. That's disappointing. That's 0.44 the amps, 53 the watts with a power factor of 0.98. That's ridiculous. Even without the guard, it's still pretty abysmal. And the stupid brace is doing what it's supposed to do. The pitch of the blades is certainly being maintained.
That looks exactly like the motor that was used in the HP12.
Yeah, that's why I looked at the motor itself, because I wasn't sure if it was just going to be a relabeled HP12 motor.
That's really bad design.
That's awful. How does this pass the R&D phase? I just don't understand it.
Ship it.
Bearings are good, probably because it had no hours on it, because it didn't move any air. And I guess those motors were made by Lakewood. I don't know if they outsourced somebody or not.
I thought that they were made by a company called RRS.
I don't know.
Take that with a grain of salt. I could be completely wrong. I don't know.
I've never heard of that company before.
I thought I remember seeing a sticker that had fallen off a motor of an HV12 that said RRS.
Could be.
Here's one right here, actually.
That's got to be a more powerful motor, I would think.
Well, so this is 0.9 amps.
Yeah, so that's much more powerful.
Fair enough.
This looks more like the motor out of like an HV9 maybe. Well, interesting unit, but definitely a disappointment in terms of performance. And the design, the aerodynamics design is just disaster. Complete and total disaster. I don't know why this... I can't tell why this doesn't stay on.
There used to be clips.
Oh, I got it now. Yep.
And they probably broke every single one of them trying to get it apart to clean it.
I see. Unless this is so brittle it just broke by itself. If someone cleaned this, he or she did a very good job. I don't see any dust in the windings at all.
Oops, sorry.
This is... I can't imagine this is more than the original amount of dust on there.
If I had a fan like this, I'd be very disappointed in it.
I think this was definitely a purchase and then just never used. Oh well. Anybody else seen one of these before? I'd be very curious to know. I have not.